it's finally cold or cool enough to test the CYBERTAKE S2 Pro's heating function. So without further ado, let's get it started. Alright, so that's popped. There you go. So the mode right now. Okay, heating mode. I'll just go up to 90. 90 is the max. Okay, so I'll just keep it at 90. We'll see the temperature rise. I'll do max, and I'll see how long it will take for the temperature to rise on top of the tent right there. Okay, so vent is orange, so it's blowing hot air right now. Not that loud yet. Having it venting to the outside of the tent right there. Oh, it's cranking up. Just note that please have the front of the AC unit elevated so that any water condensation will come back out this way instead of backflowing somewhere that's leaking, which I had that problem. Alright guys, it's been 2 hours, exactly 2 hours, and it's 57 degrees Fahrenheit outside. The internal temperature right now is at 69 Fahrenheit. So it was able to heat it up more than 10 degrees Fahrenheit. However, it's kind of stabilized at around that temperature. I'm going to show you inside of the camper. It's pretty warm. It actually feels warmer than it actually is. I'm just worried about the water intrusion, which doesn't seem to be having any condensation problems. But it's pretty toasty in here. Yeah, it's blowing hot air. It's definitely warm. On the second floor, it's a little better because the heat rises. And my thermostat registers at 69, a little over 69 degrees. Alright, so after testing it both heating and cooling function, I believe there's certain conditions you have to meet to be able to find this suitable or working well for you. So yeah, so overall I think it's a great product. For the past 2 months of me using it, I didn't have any error or any problems with the unit itself.